number 3. Example number 3 is 2x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals 0. So again, identify the value of a. Our value of a here is 2. For b, we have 4. And for c, we have negative 5. Write again the formula of our discriminant. And then, substitute the values. Let's start with b. We have 4. 4 squared minus 4. And then our a, 4 times a. So we have a as 2. After a, we have c, which is negative 5. Then we solve. 4 squared is 16. And then we multiply all of this. We're going to have minus 4 times 2, 8. 8 times negative 5 is negative 40. But we have here a negative, so we could have here a positive 40. And then getting the sum, we have 56. And of course, 56 is not equal to 0. So we can cross this out. It is greater than 0, but it is not a perfect square. So it is also not the second condition. The third condition is greater than 0. Of course, 56 is greater than 0, but not a perfect square. And 56 is not a perfect square. So therefore, we have here irrational and unequal. So again, I'm going to write here discriminant is 56, and then we have irrational and unequal.